Angels, welcome back to my channel Unboxing Smiles. So today I'm going to prepare a recipe, a dinner recipe. It would not be a regular fashion and makeup or review kind of stuff. So yes, today it would be a different kind of a video. So yes, I have never ever filmed any kind of recipe with you all, so yes, it would be very new in my channel. So yes, if you're up and if you do want to watch what kind of recipe, do keep on watching this video till the end. So I have taken 2 cups of rice. So this is the measuring cup which I have used to take rice, and this is for 4 servings, and the rice which I have used is this is the rice which I have used. This is Charminar long grain basmati rice. So for this recipe I would require 3/4 cup of chopped baby corn, and then I would require this half cup chopped capsicum. You can give any kind of colors. I have added only green. If you are preparing for your babies or kids, then you can add red or yellow capsicum also. So yes, half cup of chopped capsicum, and then half cup finely chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of garlic. I have also chopped finely. You can also use tomato puree, half teaspoon of red chili powder, and also this black pepper powder I am using of catch black pepper sprinklers I'll be using. And this baby corn, I have used this Neo Foods baby corn thing. So yes, and I will also use tomato ketchup. I'll be using soy oil for preparing this recipe. I'll be using this Imami Healthy and Tasty Refined Soybean Oil.